Welcome to a quick walkthrough of the 2026 Forest River Rockwood Mini Lite 2523MBR. Outside, this Mini Lite really shines with its storage. You get large, easy-access compartments for chairs, hoses, and camping gear, plus additional side doors so you can grab what you need without digging through everything. Stepping inside, you land in the cozy living area with comfortable seating ready for relaxing after a long day. Just ahead is the front-style kitchen with cabinets above and below, give you room for dishes, pots, and pantry items. Great counter space for prep. You have a microwave, 3-burner range, and a 12-volt fridge to keep everything cold and ready to go. Across from the seating is your dinette, TV, and extra shelving, creating a clean spot to eat, watch a game, or stash gear. The 2523 MBR features a comfortable bed in its own slide-out, opening up valuable floor space so you can walk around and get dressed without squeezing by walls. Overhead cabinets, wardrobes, and drawers give you room for clothes and extra bedding. And there are convenient reading lights and charging ports for phones or tablets. For a couple or solo camper, this bedroom layout delivers a quiet, private space that still feels open. In the rear, you will find a surprisingly large bathroom for a smaller trailer. There is a roomy shower with surround, a foot-flush toilet, and a sink with usable countertop space, so your daily routine is easy. Built-in linen storage and cabinets keep towels, toiletries, and cleaning supplies organized instead of scattered around the bedroom or kitchen. Thanks for joining this quick tour of the 2026 Rockwood Mini Lite 2523MBR. If you enjoyed the walkthrough, hit like, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more RV videos.